So guys, we're gonna go to my brother's birthday party today, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So, yeah, I'm in my bathroom right now, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So, yeah. So, sorry guys, I haven't been uploading very much, but the big day. Hey guys, welcome to Arthur's vlogs today. Uh, there's an animal in here. I don't know if you've seen the animal, but on here to go out here. There's a set.
I wasn't sure I was looking for.
Oh.
Ew. Look, it smells funky.
The animals. So hey guys, welcome to the vlog channel today. My name's Arthur. This is being really funny. So I'm recording off my iPhone. So yeah. Skill. But alright, so I'm gonna I had stuff in my eye. Shepherd's eye. So I'm gonna go on ahead. Alright, so when I go somewhere I'll leave this on. So hey guys, welcome to Arthur's vlog today. I haven't done the intro. So right now I'm going to the store on my hoverboard. So yeah, hope you guys like it. So right now I'm not really doing anything, of course. You know how that goes. Arthur sits on his butt all day. I almost said day. But yeah, so I hope you guys like doing this stuff. So I'm gonna get off here and then I'm gonna go to the store and